Good morning, children. I hope all are keeping well. In the previous class, we had proved angle criterion for similar triangles, and as well as we had stated SAS criterion and SSS criterion for similar triangles. Based on that, I told you to refer the textbook and work out the problems. Today I am going to solve few problems from the exercise 2.3. I had assigned you to solve the first main and identify which criterion is applied for the different cases in the first main. In the second main, it's a very simple problem where you have come across in 8th standard and 9th standard theorems and proposition. We had a proposition that if a ray stands on a straight line, then the sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree and vertically opposite angles are equal. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The exterior angle formed by extending one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. These are some postulates or the propositions which we had learned in 8th standard and 9th standard, and also we had proved all these statements logically. Using these propositions, we are going to identify the measurement of angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. What is given in the question? The question they have given DOC and as well angle OBA. These two triangles are similar. What is similar? If we have to say the triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles must be equal and the corresponding sides must be proportional. So which are the corresponding angles to identify if these two are similar? See, angle O. Corresponding angle to O is O itself, vertically opposite angles. Corresponding angle to B is, second vertex B, D is equal to B, and corresponding angle to C is A, angle C is equal to A. We shall write this in data in the beginning. Then what we have to find? The measurement of angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. They have given the measure of the angle ODC, this is 70 degree, and COB is 125 degree. Looking at this figure, immediately we can recall one of the proposition. See, if a straight line and this is a ray, straight line and a ray, straight line and a ray. So many adjacent angles are here. So if I have to identify this angle, look at these two angles. What type of angles are these? They are adjacent angles. They form linear pair. OC ray and DB is a straight line. If a ray stands on a straight line, adjacent angle so formed will be equal to 180 degree. If this angle is 125 degree, how to identify the other triangle? You have to subtract 125 from 180 so that you get angle DOC. When you find angle DOC, it's very easy. Another proposition we can apply here, that is angle DOC is equal to angle AOB. Vertically opposite angles, which is not asked but yet I am teaching. If you find this angle, you can find the other angle. It's vertically opposite angle, and this angle is vertically opposite angle, which is equal to 125 degree, which is not required for the time being. Now this angle is found out. Then angle DCO, how to find out this angle? If you subtract 180 from 125, you get 55. We know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Two angles are known. How to find the third angles? You have to find the sum of these two angles and subtract from 180 degree. Sum of these two angles is 125 degree. If you subtract it from 180 degree, you get it as again you get 55 degree, except now you can find out sum of these three is 180. 50, 55 is 110, 110 plus 70 is 180. The second, first one is found out. DOC is found out. Angle DCO is found out. Angle OAB. Angle A is equal to which angle? Angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. What is the measurement of angle C? 55 degree. Therefore, angle A is 55 degree. Even we can find angle B. What is the measure of angle B? 70 degree, because angle D is equal to angle B, because both are similar. In this way, we can identify how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles we can find. But in the question there was only 3. Let us find only 3. So how to find angle DOC? Solution. We know that angle DOC plus angle COP is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. Angle DOC is unknown, we have to find. Angle COB is 125 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DOC is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree, that is equal to 55 degree. Or else directly you can write angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125 linear pair. I have explained step by step, directly you can do it. So first part is over. Then how to find angle DCO? We have to consider the triangle DOC. In that triangle, 2 angles are known and the third angle we have to find. For that we have to consider triangle DOC. In that we have to find angle DCO. How to find angle DCO? From 180 degree, we have to subtract the sum of other 2 angles, 55 degree plus 70 degree. Reason is sum of the 3 angles of triangles. Some angle property of triangle we can write. Therefore, angle TCO is equal to 180 minus 125 degree. Therefore, angle DCO is also equal to 55 degree. Is it clear, children? Then, the third one I am doing here. Third part. Which one I have to find? Angle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to which angle? Angle C. OCD. Reason is datum. Therefore, angle OAB is equal to, what is the measure of angle OCD? 55 degree. Finished. All the 3 angles are found out. But we can find 6 angles looking at this figure. I hope you understood, children. This is 2.3 second problem. 2.3 second problem.